So you can see the tickells blue flycatcher. So very beautiful bird. This bird is really very beautiful. It's a tickells blue flycatcher. Excellent bird spotted in the Gir National Park. And they actually fly together in male and female together, most probably in the nearby areas. And this is the nesting period, so most of them try to make their nests and lay the eggs. This bird is really nice. Tickle, see the beak. The beak is red in color, the grayish background, and at the bottom is the neck is light brown in color. You are in Gir National Park and near the boundary of the Gir National Park, and explore the birdings. So welcome to Travel of Pradnesh, and do like and subscribe the video, and we will come back with more birdings sites. Thanks for watching, and see you more. We'll bring more videos to you. So one more bird we have sighted, and here you can see the lush green. This is another bird. This is again a jungle babbler.
रेड पेंटर बुलबुल है ये तो
This is red panther bulbul. Okay.
रेड पेंटर बुलबुल
Red panther bulbul, you will find a lot of them in these areas. Yeah.
इतना खूबसूरत है